League of Legends is one of the most
Shut
popular
up,
free
dude.
games
League
in
of
the world.
Legends.
You don't have to pay
League
a
of
single
Legends.
cent to win against someone.
To me like a snowy mountainous background. Now, as per usual, the Twitter detective.
Here's a 15-minute video. I don't care about that. A 1-minute video. Look at that, dude. Efficiency at its finest.
Hold up. Another one.
There's literally no sound on the... Is this the player that we think is aimbotting? Mika Daimes. I'm trying to find a good video of it.
She's hacking, bro. She looks at the ground. You guys are really wondering what's happening here? She's hacking, dude. What the fuck?
Wait, this is too fast for me to follow. Hold on, I gotta slow it down. Apparently, you can't judge hacks in 2 times speed. Okay, let's see this clip.
From player 1.
She's hacking, bro.
Wait. Oh, did she kill the breach too? Is that what happened? Hold on, she killed breach behind him. I thought she just killed Sova. Where's the breach? Okay, there's the breach.
Up a clip from player 1.
So I don't know why this clip is sus at the beginning of it. I don't know why this is so sus. Look where she's aiming though right now. Aiming very low, right?
She looks at the ground.
Yeah, her mechanics themselves are really poor. That is a little bit.
You guys are
Look where she's aiming.
really wondering what's happening here?
So this is a lot. Oftentimes when you look for cheaters, you don't just look for people with disgusting aim. There's players, obviously there's pro players with a disgusting aim. Generally, you look at their mechanics and stuff. So when you see somebody staring at the ground, this is a big red flag. When you see somebody just walking around looking at the ground like this, and then they do shit like that, this is a massive red flag.
She's hacking, dude. What the fuck?
It's not like because people have nutty aim, so a lot of people times it's like, oh, like just like awareness stuff. Even like shooting through smoke, sometimes it looks sus, but it's like a lot of the times it's combined with game sense. But she's not really utilizing game sense here. She's just kind of annihilating people, right? She's like staring at the ground and she's doing like all these crazy things. I'm gonna be honest, it's possible that she's not hacking, but it looks very weird. Yeah, it does look like a sus clip.
Doesn't win that round, but you see, this is where people start getting a little bit of speculation.
Mostly the Cypher kill, I think, is the big one.
Where you can see she comes out of the bin.
Yeah, it just like snaps up to him.
Snaps onto Cypher real quick. Obviously, she's saying that's implied.
That boy's sus. That's the girl, actually.
Again,
her name's Mika Daimes.
I'm showing you guys the clips, and I'll give some of my opinions up too. For the next clip, I don't know why we're on Facebook, but the Reddit thread is linked.
Wardell reacts to the same clip here.
So we're getting Wardell's opinion on the situation.
It isn't just the one clip. They've got to have another clip.
Look, aimbot.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't notice that because the breach clip started earlier. Or the other clip started.
Look how she throws the knife at the Sova and then it instantly goes up to his head. Aimbot. No? Is that not aimbot? Look how it shakes. That's aimbot.
These 2 kills I don't think are that bad. I don't think these 2 kills are that terrible. I think like sometimes you get like flicks like that. I think the Cypher kill is really bad. And like her mechanics themselves are a little weird.
Take on the matter. I mean, that's what not fluid movements at all. Just
here's the thing: they're taking one clip, right? So what it looks like right here is that she was cleared, according to the Riot Reiki or whatever. It says that they did an investigation. They say that she's good. This is what I was saying earlier. Is that like it looks sus, right? But it as far as what I'm seeing right here, it seems like there's just a couple of clips that are kind of sus. You could do this with anybody, dude. People did it with Shroud. People did it with Summit. People could do it with me if they really want. I'm not a good player, but they could easily go through my clips and be like, dude, he was sus right here. Look at him shooting through this smoke and stuff.
Snapping on
it's really hard to just take one clip out of context. People land lucky shots. People get good clips sometimes. It just happens, right?
And stuff. Again, just really high level flicks. And
for the record, just because they say that she's cleared, I don't know if that means that maybe she dodges it. Maybe their program's not as good as they think. But like for the most part, I think that like it's really. There's no way that I can prove this, right? By just watching these clips. She could have just gotten lucky. It does look jittery though. I will say that it looks sus.
Where you can see there is this little bit of like erratic movement where she starts out over to the left, and then it just kind of snaps onto her head. Really weird. Not really. Again,
I hate stuff like this. Let's slow it down even more, dude.
It just looks really.
It's like, oh, did you see that? Let's slow it down even more. It's like, oh.
But
The problem is that there wasn't enough frames right here, right? There's a frame. She's to the left, and then
just kinda
she's on the head. There's no frame between that. It just happens.
snaps onto her
Which
head.
happens. Those shots do
Like,
happen.
really weird.
Is it gonna be a
not
video?
really
It might.
again,
I don't really know.
Fluid movement and all, not natural movement. It just looks big. This girl.
I think the
is,
Riot team does a pretty good
in
job
To the Philippines, how big of a streamer
on stuff
she is,
like
and
this.
she's like, 'cause that's the thing where she's like,
Like they don't normally like make public statements on stuff like this, but like coming out and saying like, hey,
really,
she's getting a lot of hate.
big,
Just chill. She's
source
good. They
for,
will. We will
being
be the
able
ones to handle
to
this.
get
I do
together,
respect that a lot.
people, They could,
No, yeah, it looks a little sus. I don't think that is that big of a deal though. A lot of people are asking me to take a look at this, so I guess I'm glad that I know what it is. But if they say that she's not cheating, I believe it. Like I think that is possible. Everyone has sus clips. It happens, you know. Go to the practice range. I gotta shoot some bots. Reddit thread has a lot more clips. This is what I was saying though, but like, it's like confirmation bias, right? When you're looking for clips, then it's a lot easier for you to like just go into the like, oh, let's go find some like sus clips of her like getting kills, and then you're like, oh, look at that, that was jittery, or like that. Like, I don't know what rank she actually is. I'm assuming she's probably like a moderate ranked player. I don't think that she's like, she might be a big streamer, but is she like a big player? Is she like pro? Or what does she do? I find it hard to believe that she would be pro with those mechanics. Her mechanics in the game seem like, her aim seems all right, but like, I don't know, she just does like weird things, you know? She's like staring at the ground, like she's kind of not clearing angles. So the bind clip particularly, she just like jumped in the middle of the site, and like I don't know if she had info on like other things. She was looking towards Hookah. The player was CT. It's like she didn't even check CT. It's like weird things like that. And mechanics seemed a little rough. Not to say that she can't get better, but she might be a higher rank than me. Don't get me wrong. I don't think I'm a pro player by any means, but I think I have a decent understanding of the mechanics and like just basic game knowledge. It seems like she might have lacked some of that. Whatever cheat wasn't detected by Vanguard. It's possible. Like, don't get me wrong, it's possible. I'm not saying that she's like, I'm not saying that she's not cheating. I'm just saying that from what Riot said, I'm not gonna be the one to like make the call. But Riot said she's not cheating. I'm not gonna argue with Riot on it. I feel like they have a lot more information than I do, right?